Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to dive into Bluewillow AI. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned user, all in one comprehensive tutorial will guide you from basics to mastering the art of Bluewillow AI. So let's dive in. In today's tutorial, we will cover many topics from very basic to very advanced. For example, what is Bluewillow AI, how to use Bluewillow AI, how to create Bluewillow account, how to add Bluewillow bot to your own server, how you can create private server of Bluewillow in laptop, how to create images in Bluewillow AI, how to write best prompt, the secret tool of writing the best prompt, how to upload own image to Bluewillow, how to use image to image Bluewillow options, from creating 3D characters to creating t-shirts design. I will cover everything in this tutorial. So let's dive in. Our first question is, what is Bluewillow AI? Bluewillow AI is a free AI artwork generator that creates stunning AI arts images. It is a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence image generator that stands in the same league as other AI image generations such as Midjourney, DALL-E, and several others. How to use Bluewillow AI? To use Bluewillow AI, you need to join their Discord server by visiting their website. Once you are on their Discord server, you can use oblique imagine command followed by prompts to generate AI art. You will receive 4 images to download or refine further in less than a minute. You can also use prompts to generate 3D characters, t-shirt design, and more. How to create a Bluewillow account? To create a Bluewillow account, you need to join their Discord server by visiting their website. Once you are on their Discord server, you can start generating AI art by using the oblique imagine command followed by a prompt. How to add Bluewillow bot to own Discord server. I will show you step-by-step process so that you can add Bluewillow bot to own Discord server. How to create an image in Bluewillow AI? To create an image in Bluewillow AI, you need to use the oblique imagine command followed by a prompt. How to create 3D character in Bluewillow AI? Once you have written the command, you have to mention to make 3D character in Bluewillow AI. Design t-shirt on Bluewillow. You can use prompts to generate t-shirt design in Bluewillow. How to write the best prompt. To write the best prompt for Bluewillow AI, you need to be specific and use descriptive language. The more specific your prompt, the better your generated AI art will. You a website that is best for creating best prompts for Bluewillow AI. You can explore it and you will be amazed. How to upload own image to Bluewillow. To upload your own image to Bluewillow, you need to first upload it to Discord by clicking the plus sign and selecting upload a file. Once the image is uploaded, you can add it to your prompt by typing /image and dragging the image file into the prompt box. How to use image to image Bluewillow. You can use image to image feature in Bluewillow to create a new image using an existing image and text prompt. That's all for now. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe my channel, and write a comment that which part you like the most. And I will see you in the next question. See you.